Have you ever driven on a perfectly smooth road? It feels great, doesn't it? Your car glides along. Then, winter comes. The snow, the ice, the biting cold. After winter, that same smooth road might tell a different story. It's bumpy. It's cracked. It's a real pain to drive on. What happened? Science happened. Winter weather is a tough customer. It doesn't play nice with our roads. It has a secret weapon. One that works slowly, silently, but leaves visible scars by spring. This isn't just bad luck or old age. There's a specific scientific process at work. This process attacks roads, sidewalks, and driveways, especially in cold climates. Understanding this process is the first step to fighting back. It's all about water, temperature, and a little bit of physics. So, let's put on our science hats. We're going on an adventure into the world of cracking concrete and perplexing potholes. We'll explore how something as simple as water and a drop in temperature can cause so much damage. It's a fascinating story of hidden forces, and the ongoing quest for more durable infrastructure. Science is cool and so is understanding our world. Ready to find out what's really happening beneath your tires? Let's dive in. The answer starts with a cycle that repeats every winter. And it's the reason your favorite road might not survive the season. Let's see what's really going on under the surface. Stay tuned. The main culprit behind winter road damage is the freeze-thaw cycle. It's all about temperatures dipping below freezing, then rising above it again. This up and down temperature dance happens a lot in winter, especially in places with real seasons. During the day, snow melts. At night, it freezes again. Each time this happens, our roads are under stress. It's like bending a paperclip back and forth. Eventually it breaks. The freeze-thaw cycle does something similar to our pavement. Why is this cycle so destructive? Because water is special. Most substances shrink when they get colder, but water expands when it freezes. It takes up more space as ice than as liquid. This expansion is the secret to its destructive power. Tiny cracks become big problems, all thanks to this property of water. The freeze-thaw cycle is relentless, especially in places like the northern US, Canada, or northern Europe. Every time the temperature crosses the freezing point, the road gets weaker. It's a battle that plays out all winter long. And it's the reason why spring reveals so many new potholes. So, what exactly happens inside the pavement? Let's take a closer look at how water sneaks in, and how it sets the stage for destruction. The real trouble starts before you even see a crack. It's a story of invisible forces at work. Ready to see how it all begins? Let's go deeper. How does water get into our roads? Road surfaces look solid, but they're not perfectly sealed. Over time, tiny cracks form, from heavy traffic, ground settling, or even the sun's heat. These cracks are often invisible, but they're open doors for water. Rain, melting snow, or ice seeps in. Capillary action pulls water into even the smallest fissures. The road surface absorbs this moisture like a giant hard sponge. After a rain or spring melt, there's plenty of water available. This water doesn't just sit on the surface, it works its way down into the pavement. The more cracks, the more water gets in. Even brand new roads can have tiny imperfections. Once water is inside, it's trapped, especially in cool or humid weather. It waits for the temperature to drop, and for the freeze-thaw cycle to begin its work. This hidden water is like a secret agent, ready to cause damage from within. It's an invisible threat, lurking just beneath the surface. The stage is set for the real damage. All it takes is one cold night and the science of ice takes over. What happens next is where the real destruction begins. Let's see how frozen water becomes a powerful force, and why even the smallest crack can spell big trouble. On to the science of ice. What happens when that trapped water freezes? Here's where water's weirdness matters. Most liquids shrink when they freeze, but water expands by about 9%. Think of an ice cube tray. The ice cubes bulge out. Now imagine that expansion inside a tiny crack in the road. As water freezes, it pushes hard against the sides of the crack. The pressure is immense, enough to break rocks. Asphalt or concrete doesn't stand a chance. The ice acts like a tiny, powerful wedge. Each freeze pushes the crack wider and deeper, even if only a little at first. The damage has begun. The road's internal structure is being compromised. This process is relentless. Water freezes, expands, cracks grow. It's a simple, yet incredibly effective mechanism of destruction. A tiny flaw can become a noticeable crack after just a few freeze-thaw cycles. The power of expanding ice is formidable, and it's happening all winter long, unseen beneath the snow. It's a slow but steady assault, and it's why winter is so hard on our roads. But the story doesn't end there. Let's see how these cracks turn into the potholes we all dread. The cycle continues. One freeze-thaw event won't destroy a road. But it's the repetition that matters. Each cycle, the crack gets a little bigger, holding more water next time. More water means more expansion, more force, and more damage. The crack grows longer, wider, and deeper. Small problems escalate into big ones. Cracks connect, forming a network of weaknesses. Pieces of pavement become loose. Traffic finishes the job. Loose pieces pop out. Voila! A pothole is born. That jarring bump is the freeze-thaw cycle, amplified by cars and trucks. Water can even seep deeper, damaging the road's foundation. If the base freezes and expands, the whole road can heave or sink. Major structural failures start with tiny cracks, all thanks to that persistent freeze-thaw action. It's a chain reaction that can turn a smooth road into a cratered mess. And it happens every winter. Let's talk about the materials, mainly asphalt and concrete. Asphalt is flexible, which helps with temperature changes, but it's also porous. Tiny voids trap water, making it vulnerable to freeze-thaw damage. The cycle can break down the binders in asphalt over time. Concrete is rigid and strong under compression, but not so good at handling tension. Expanding ice creates internal stress, leading to cracks and spalling. Even reinforced concrete can suffer. The real battle starts at a microscopic level. Water molecules penetrate tiny pores, freeze, and exert pressure. This breaks the bonds between particles, weakening the structure. You don't see it at first, but the damage adds up. Micro-cracks grow into visible cracks. The material becomes more brittle and less able to withstand traffic. Its resistance to water penetration drops, making things worse. Over many cycles, the damage accelerates. Eventually, you get potholes and broken surfaces every spring. It's a slow, hidden process that leads to visible problems. Both materials fight a losing battle without help. That's why innovation is so important. Engineers are always searching for better ways to build and to keep roads strong through winter's worst. The next step? Finding solutions. Let's see what's being done to fight back. On to the future of road resilience. All this freezing, thawing, and crumbling cost cities a fortune. Every spring, crews rush to patch potholes and repair roads. But patching is often just a temporary fix. The underlying problem, the weakened pavement, remains. So the same spots need repairs year after year. Major repairs, like resurfacing or rebuilding, are expensive and disruptive. These costs add up fast across a city or region. The economic impact goes beyond repair bills. Damaged roads mean more wear and tear on vehicles, flat tires, bent rims, suspension problems. Drivers pay the price too. Poor roads slow traffic, increase fuel use, and can even cause accidents. The true cost of freeze-thaw damage is huge. It affects our daily lives and our wallets. Maintaining roads is a constant battle. Materials, labor, fuel, and traffic control all add up. It often feels like we're just keeping up, not getting ahead. That's why building more resilient roads matters. It's about saving money and improving quality of life. The challenge is big, but so is the payoff. Smarter solutions can make a real difference. Communities in cold regions need better answers, and that's where science and engineering come in. Let's look at the innovations making roads tougher. The future of road building is already underway. Here's how we're fighting back. Are we doomed to bumpy roads forever? Not if scientists and engineers have their way. New materials are being developed. More flexible asphalt, stronger concrete, and additives that reduce water penetration. The goal: pavements that can better withstand winter's assault. Better drainage systems help keep water away from the road base. Permeable pavements let water soak through instead of pooling or seeping into cracks. Proper compaction during construction reduces voids where water can collect. Every detail in road building matters. Technology is helping too. Sensors embedded in roads monitor temperature and moisture, predicting damage before it happens. Some researchers are exploring self-healing materials. Imagine concrete that repairs its own cracks. Preventative maintenance is key. Sealing cracks before winter keeps water out. Protective coatings act like a raincoat for roads. Combining new materials, smarter designs, and proactive care makes roads last longer. It's an ongoing effort, but progress is real. The future of road building is exciting and much more durable. With innovation, we can outsmart the freeze-thaw cycle and keep our roads smoother, longer. It's all about staying one step ahead of winter. Science and engineering are paving the way. The battle isn't over, but we're making strides. Let's see what this means for the roads of tomorrow. The journey continues, on to the final stretch. Understanding freeze-thaw destruction is the first step to real solutions. When we know how water gets in and why it expands, we can design ways to fight back. Science isn't just about problems, it's about solutions. This challenge affects millions and costs billions every year. Building winter-proof roads is complex but not impossible. By applying material science and civil engineering, we can make big improvements. It takes innovation, investment, and a commitment to resilience. That means thinking long-term, not just patching potholes, but designing durable roads. The future of our roads can be brighter and less bumpy. By studying, innovating, and applying what we learn, we can reduce freeze-thaw damage. We can save money, improve safety, and build more sustainable communities. Science is the key to unlocking that